In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide sensitive content in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple privacy setting that can help reduce the amount of sensitive or potentially disturbing content you see while browsing your feed and search results. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and social media guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open x.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click More. This opens up additional options and settings for your account. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control how your account behaves and what kind of content you see. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section includes important controls for your browsing experience, safety preferences, and content visibility. After that, click Content you see. Here, you'll find options related to the type of post and media that can appear in your timeline and search results. Now, click Search Settings. This is the menu where you can manage sensitive content visibility specifically for search. Once you're inside Search Settings, simply toggle on Hide Sensitive Content. As soon as you enable it, x.com will reduce the visibility of sensitive content across your search experience. And that's it. You've now hidden sensitive content on x.com or Twitter in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.